Hello guys, everyone are worried how to train a neural network. Everyone was talking about the training of neural networks. And what is meant by training? First of all, machine learning or deep learning, all the machine learning, something which everyone was speaking about, is the basic principles of statistics itself. If you deep digging, if you dig machine learning to its roots, you will see nothing but statistics, what we have learned in our higher education or in lower education. All about statistics, probability, errors, mean square error, root mean square. It's all about statistics at the end. Okay. So everyone are now speaking, and if we type something to train some with some keywords, it is training. What it is really training. So now I've developed a code here. What actually happening in the backside of code, what it is training, what not it is saying to us by giving the output. Okay. Example, you can check here. I've created a sample data set y is equals to n of x, which will be a sinusoidal waveform. You can check this y is equals to reshape minus 1 to plus 1. I've taken access from minus 1 to plus 1, and I'm building a neural network model. It is a sequential neural network model. Optimizer is Adam to reduce the error and the loss mean square error, where it will be adjusting the output with the input by changing the weights and bias. Okay, this is the custom callback. This is to make you visualize what I am doing in the top, how it is training the x-axis y-axis data. This is what it is giving. So this is all about plotting. Okay, this is all about plots. You can see the code when I've given in the description, but only the main part of the code is this. Then even this in the plot, I've shown that as the training time increases, as the data is being trained, the loss function will be decreased. As it is getting familiar with the data, the loss function is being getting decreased. That's why to visually show how the loss function is decreasing as the data training has been increasing, I have written this plot. You can see the updated prediction and updated loss for each and every iterations here. And training with visual callback of epoch 100. I have set an epoch 100 to visually know to train the data until more to see it visually. Okay, now I'll run the code. Okay, now we'll see the graphs of training and loss function decreasing. See, yeah, this is the training loss function that is been decreasing with the increasing in the epoch. As the epoch is increasing, means how many times that input is passing through the data, the loss function is decreasing that much. Means the data is getting cleaner that much. And in the other hand, prediction was actual. The actual graph is in green color. The predicted graph will be in the blue color. See the prediction as the training has been increasing, the prediction has been becoming accurate and more accurate. And also, if you clearly observe, an epoch means the training data that is passed through the input data that is passed to the training data how many times, and that much times the loss function has been decreasing means the data is getting familiar with the input is getting familiar with the output. And the input, okay, this is where, okay, example, if you take an data set of 1 to 100 numbers, I have given 50 at the first time, the 50 will go from 1 to 50, 1 to 100 for the first time, and it knows, okay, I came 50 more, but I need to stop at 50 next time. When I given 65, okay, first time for the 15, so the 15 is 16, so this is 65. So that's how the echo will be working as getting the inputs getting familiar, or if you given the inputs of different variation, the code itself understands the data. Okay, it is the data. The difference between 1 to 100 is 95, 99. The 50 to 100 is 50. So when we given a number of 36, okay, the number is 36 will be between 1 to 50 if the previous inputs are from 1 to 50. Otherwise, it will go on searching. So that's the epoch, the number of times that data getting searched for the inputs, the loss function will be decreasing that many times. So this is the visual representation how a training of a neural network works. I hope everyone understand. If any doubts, please check out the description or comment. Thank you.